Good morning, teacher. I talk about of purposes of the defense minister, and I'm going to explain your central purpose so I can understand your policies to carry out in your new positioning. The defense minister, Diego Molano, is, is so emphatic in the drug trafficking, the main threat to our country for many decades. We have it continue hiding the structures, hiding the narcotalia, hiding the Gulf clan, and he said the president adding that many of them are protected in Venezuela territory, but they are on our sides. Thanks, teacher.